Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for near price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Of course, this is the first time we analyze near on live, and also I never did it, of course, even on Discord as well. I think this is my first time. So yeah, I went a little bit through on the daily chart here where we are looking at an A B, and a C, of course, three waves to the upside first, and then you're having here a problem. You have a lot of overlaps that it looks like impulsive, but if you want to count this as as one impulse, it doesn't work. Why? Because of course your volume here, yeah, the volume here is a little bit, I think, very shady. So I'm gonna make this not so transparent, so you can get much better idea. So as you can see, the volume is very high in this wave here, and that means this wave is your wave 3 or your wave C. Now, if I call this a 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, then of course that's totally perfect. You have finished a wave A or a wave 1, right? And in that case, you would like to see here, of course, a wave 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. However, I don't think that this might be the case because, of course, I mean, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and then yeah, this looks like kind of like three waves, right? For a wave 5, which is not nice to see. And by all means, what I think here is that you have finished an impulse, of course, for a wave A, and then of course a wave B, as three waves towards the upside, and of course finishing again 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, or a kind of like an ending of diagonal, but it looks like a little bit expanded, but it can still be like even double 4 5, right? Like 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, and then 4 5. And by all means, you have finished here kind of like three ways down, of course, and then three ways up, and kind of like a five ways impulsive for a wave a C. So what I would say here is a little bit complicated, of course, with this wave, and that's why it looks like much more like W, X, and a Y. So this wave X, which it can be any kind of structure here, it looks like a double zigzag in that case. It has finished, of course, over the bottom here, and we are still looking, of course, for one more structure to finish, of course, this W, X, and Y. Now, why I don't think that we are very impulsive on near here, so on the daily, because if you are 1, 2, and then 3, and then you get your wave 4, it has interfered with your wave 1, and that means invalidation of any kind of impulse. But that doesn't mean that we are not looking for higher prices. It can be, of course, because you would like to see, for example, another structure as a wave Y, which is a zigzag. And in that case, we're gonna finish a complex WXY structure with triple zigzag 1, 2, and then 3. Yeah. So this is the most possible case scenario for near, and possibly you have finished here an impulse 1, 2, or even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You finished your first leg here for your zigzag, where I think, yes, this might be the case. I'm gonna label this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. And then you are still looking after three waves down, or corrective, three waves up as well, and then of course WXY actually, yeah, also zigzags. So after a corrective WXY, you are looking at 1, 2 as an expanding flat, wave 3 probably, and then 4 and a 5 to finish this a kind of zigzag. Now preferably to hit, of course, a 1-to-1 fib level taken from the bottom here to the top of the W and to the base point of your X, giving you a 1-to-1 fib level at $20.72. Now it is very possible as well to finish even at 0.618 for $13.19. So in that case, be careful. You might be looking as well at double 1, 2. This is another scenario, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Yeah. It can be that even it can be even, as we said, 1, 2, right? And then even 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. By all means, you still want to look for higher and near, of course. But yeah, there are several possibilities of how we're gonna move towards the upside. On the 1 hour chart, as you can see, of course, a lot of overlap, but still looking impulsive towards the upside, even that the structure is not really nicely or decisively clear. But we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC for wave 2, and then 1, 2 again, 3, 4 invalidation. Yeah, so this is what I mean. It can be even 1 and then A, B, and a C probably as a wave 2, and then continuation towards the upside. Therefore, I was saying, okay, that might be, of course, rather than wave 3, it can the wave 3 still be higher, and we still, of course, can have even several 1, 2s towards the upside here. Yeah, that is unfolding as 1, 2, of course, ABC as expanding flat, and then 1, 2, another 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Yeah, probably even uncommon target are $28 and $25 for near. So that was it for Near. If you like this update, please don't forget to press the like button, and don't forget also to subscribe for our Discord community, which you can of course have many TAs and special requests, and of course live stream Q&A and everything you would like to have. Yeah, plus KGT of course indicator, which is for free, the first version of it. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.